For this assembly, you'll need 1/2 inch socket, 5/16 inch socket, screwdriver Phillips head. Unpack the television monitor. Unfasten the back panel from the DataVault. Carefully lay the monitor screen down on a sturdy surface. The packaging it came with will suffice. Secure the bolts to the back. Now is a good time to plug in the HDMI or other audio-video components to the monitor. Place the back panel now with the monitor attached back onto the DataVault, placing the hooks into the slots on either side. Additional assistance may be required. Tighten the bolts on either side. Now that the monitor is attached to the DataVault, route the other ends of the cables through the grommet. Secure the power screw to the right side panel. Once secured, attach the cable feed through to the outer side and secure that to the power screw. Additional assistance may be required. Place the battery backup on the shelf and plug it into the power screw. Secure with the straps. You can now plug the TV power cables you routed earlier into the battery backup. Make sure that any extra hardware and tools are removed from the DataVault. Place instructions in the junk trunk drawer. You have now completed assembly on the Knaack DataVault. If you need assistance or have questions, visit our website or call customer service.